Here's one of our better selling models, a unique, especially in classics, 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle, done up a little as an SS Tribute. This would have originally been a yellow car, paint code 56. A little different now underneath the hood, 383 stroker according to the previous owner, and it sounds good, sounds healthy. We're going to start it up here in a bit, let you check out the engine bay, listen to it. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. That stroker is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, so TH350 automatic paired up with the small block Chevy V8. As you can see, the front bumper paint, blacked out grille, stripes, all in nice shape on this car. Paint shows very well. Take a look at the undersides. Underside of this car also looks good, as well as the interior trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on the Rally wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. See, it's got a side dump exhaust, black and chrome tip matching on each side. So we have the black vinyl interior, front bench seat, shifter on the column, dash all in nice shape, kept original. They added a gauge cluster and an aftermarket stereo down below where the ashtray would have been, so they did not cut up the dash or do anything to that. Still looking very stock. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the rear here, let you take a look at the chrome. Great car for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This will turn some heads, the way it sounds and the way it looks. Nice looking in yellow with the black stripes too. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the undersides, look at the trunk, engine bay. Check this one out, top to bottom, inside and out. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. You can see paint's not full of nicks, scratches, dings, not really showing much of age at all. Interior, same way. This car has been nicely repainted, redone in the interior. Vinyl seats, free of rips, tears, or holes in them. Seat belt still intact, as also has the shoulder belts. I'll show you the headliner here in just a second. Door panel, nice shape. Again, you'll see some SS badging on this one, not representing as a true SS. It is a Tribute. Sorry about the glare there. There you go. See, headliner in nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want you to hear this. One thing I noticed, I tried the wipers. Wipers did not work. Blower fan does work. Aftermarket stereo. It is hooked up live to the battery. So as far as when you turn the key off, make sure you turn the stereo off also. Or there is a battery cutoff on top of the battery terminal also. But radio does work. To the tuner. There we go. Radio does work. Top of the dash, not cracked. Weather check. You can hear it. This one definitely sounds healthy. Again, the side dump exhaust has a thrush exhaust system on it. Underneath the hood, we're going to see HEI ignition, Wyand Speed Warrior intake manifold, headers, let's check that out. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the pins out of the hood, pop the hood, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, look at how this is finished off too. Looks great underneath the hood. There it is, 383 stroker. Headers, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition back there. Again, Lion intake. Speed Warrior. And then it does have an Edelbrock carb. Listen to that. Braided hoses with some polish and some chrome. Looking good. Open your hood up at any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. This car is going to get some attention, no doubt about that. 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Little SS tribute to it. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.